Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the baby trend nursery den Playard with snooze pod and flip over changer in the elegant diamond sage design. This versatile Playard features fold assist technology, making setup and takedown a breeze with its integrated flex cord mechanism, while intuitive, exposed buttons on the frame ensure parents can easily activate the folding mechanism. The Playard includes a spacious and portable cradle, complete with a canopy, carry handle, plush fabric, and mesh sides for optimal ventilation, plus 2 plush hanging toys to stimulate your baby's grasping and reaching skills. When your little one outgrows the bassinet, simply remove it to convert the unit into a Playard, providing a safe and comfortable space for playtime. The convenient flip-over changing table and storage pocket make diaper changes quick and easy, keeping everything you need within arm's reach. With its thoughtful design and multifunctional features, the baby trend nursery den Playard is an essential addition to any nursery, offering both comfort and convenience for parents and their little ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and parenting tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.